extra flavor. And there you have it, a flavorful and satisfying orzo salad that's perfect for a quick lunch or side dish. Have it with some protein meat of your choice. Check out my peri peri chicken, the quick fix video recipe. I had the salad with the peri peri chicken. I will leave the link in the description box as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen.